meal prep is the key to losing weight faster. That's ultimately what I have discovered. If you know what you're going to eat, then you don't have to think about it, you don't have to plan. Meal prep. Check out this video. Let me know what you think in the comments below. I created 2 easy meal prep ideas that have helped me to lose a little weight. I've noticed changes in my inches. I'm also walking. I'm sure that's also adding to the benefit of meal prep. It's keeping me focused and on track. Enjoy the video. Let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know what you do to meal prep. Let's share some ideas and let's help each other consistent. What you see me doing is preparing 5 chicken breasts 2 different ways. 2 chicken breasts will go with the fajita bowls that I'm creating, and then the other 3 breasts will go with a mixture of vegetables, which is like potato, and then the California mix, and then also a cilantro lime rice mixture. And so the 3 breasts are just mostly Italian seasoning, that herb, salt, pepper, and then the other set, the other 2 chicken breasts, are more of a Mexican seasoning, chili powder, cumin, salt, pepper, and then I'm going to add that fajita mix, which you'll see in the video, the McCormick fajita mix. Tastes really good. I'm going to add that to the vegetables and then to my meat once I put my meat in that skillet as well. So I'll have 2 completely separate meals with different seasonings, and hopefully that'll give me enough variation during the week so that I'm not bored with my meals. The only thing that I think might slow me down is the chicken breast. It's a lot of chicken breast. If you love chicken breast, you love them. If you don't, you don't. And so I'm sort of in between, I'll say. As long as it's juicy, not too dry, I can go with it. But anytime it becomes too chewy, too dry, I can't do it. And so I hope what I'm preparing here inspires you to do the same so that you can stay on track. Share your ideas below, any ideas that might help me stay on track. And so let me continue with the rest of the video, show you how this all came out. To the can of pinto beans, which of course are already cooked, I'm adding chili powder, cumin, garlic powder, and onion powder to season this up so that it has more of a Mexican flavor. I'm pairing this with that Spanish rice that's already seasoned. Just cook that in the microwave for 90 seconds. And then also the cilantro lime rice that you'll see later with the mixed vegetables. But for this fajita bowl, meal prep is Spanish rice with the Mexican flavored chicken breast with the pinto beans, adding that Mexican flavor to that, and then I'll just add cheese, sour cream, and salsa to the fajita bowl. This next meal comes together super fast. The rice cooks for 90 seconds in the microwave. The chicken breast will cook in the oven. I'm going to sear them first on the stove, stick them in the oven for about 8 to 10 minutes. And then you're going to see me add the frozen vegetables to some diced potatoes. Those are yellow gold potatoes. You're going to see me add that mixed vegetable bag to the potatoes. That's going to cook in the oven for about 15 minutes or so. I could pop this in the microwave easily for 5 minutes, but I wanted to have that roasted flavor. So I'm going to add that California vegetable mix to my raw potatoes, which are not frozen, in that cast iron skillet. I'm going to add that or cook that in the oven for about 15 minutes or so until those potatoes are crispy and tender. This all comes together super fast. Again, it's chicken breast, but seasoned in a different way. Italian herbs, garlic, salt, pepper. So the flavor is going to be different from the previous meal prep with the Mexican flavors. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. Tell us what you are meal prepping this week.